Yo, what is up guys? So today, fix my PCV assembly. I'm going to AutoZone right now so I can pick up the stuff, and I'm a little bit dressed up because I had to something for my sister. I went to celebration, Lucia celebration, very fun. And then I also am going to AutoZone to pick up some supplies and returning some supplies. I got a bunch of brake cleaner and I bought way too much of it, so I'm gonna return that today. Yeah, holy cow, my car is not happy right now. It's tweaking, but luckily we got the stuff. And I also just got a MAF cleaner just in case, because this might also be a problem. But yeah, my car is giving some pretty bad troubles for right now. All right, boys, today's the day. I bought the part. Let's take a look. Okay. Okay. Super. Yeah, it comes with everything. Gasket's already in and everything. Yeah, so basically we're gonna redo what I did yesterday, which is just take this off, and take this off. So I'm actually starting with the shock, or the coil packs. That's what you're supposed to start with. Ooh. And this is for 4. Very nice.
I feel bad.
There we go. That thing does not need to be reused. I hope I am recording, but ran to AutoZone real quick. Yeah. Ran to AutoZone real quick. Picked up these guys. Very good. Oh shit. Very good stuff. And they should fit on just, I might as well replace both. Yeah. I'm gonna take this one off too. Perfect. Okay. So I guess I'm cutting a bunch of stuff off. I think I got glasses. Oh yeah, safety first. Beautiful. Because you never know. So untie this a little bit. Oh, there we go. That worked out great. Now let's see. So now this one can fit on nice and tight. Let's get all this hair out. Oh yeah. Move this for a second. Yes, yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And that's what I like to call an engineer. And then how does this guy fit? Like that. Okay, perfect. That's on nice and tight. Need to give it some extra force, you know. This guy, good. This guy, good. And boom. Okay. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And there. There, Jesus. Okay, push them all the way in. Get this on. Beautiful. Everything's good, everything's connected. Now we do a startup. Startup time. I forgot to record an outro, but I'm editing the video right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.